Yo, what up everybody? It's your boy Julie Jules, and we have another mic review. Okay, so today I'm going to be doing a review for the mono USB microphone starter bundle. This is the PM461 professional audio innovation. Okay, so I'm going to tell you a little bit of few features, and then we'll just get straight into the review. Okay, because y'all know we don't mess around. All right, we get into the review and we give an honest review, and that's what we're gonna do. Okay, all right. So features are, it's a cardioid polar pattern. Don't know what that means. Mic gain adjustable. So the mic gain knob is actually like on the front, I believe. And state-of-the-art surface mount electronics. Compatible with Windows and Mac. It says setup is so easy, just connect and go. I like mics like that. Like, you don't have to mess around and do anything in OBS or anything like that. So if you're a streamer, this might be the way to go. We'll find out. I don't know right now. I'm just telling you what the features are. All right. And it's built-in high-res sound chipset. All right. I mean, so far it sounds pretty dope, but we gotta do the test. We can't just go off of what's on the box. We gotta do the test. All right, so let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy. All right, so as far as like the boxing goes, the boxing is pretty good. They shipped it to me in a, you know, it's a regular box, and then inside it's packed in some foam, so that's always good. You get the mic stand. This is what they're talking about. If you don't have like a mic mount to like go to your desk or something, you could just put it on this stand, set it right in front of you, and boom, you're ready to go. Okay, you got your USB cable, and then you get the the filter. All right, so this filter, so it's kind of like a pop filter, right? So this is what's gonna filter like little pop noises, you know what I'm saying? Like you're definitely gonna want, it's definitely nice to have a mic filter, you know, like if you have a mic and you don't have a pop filter for your mic, your audio kind of sounds a little bit poppy. I can't really describe it, but you can tell when you hear it, you know what I'm saying? So this is the mic pop filter. Basically it'll go right, so it doesn't go all the way around, but it just goes right in front, so you would have it sitting like this facing you, and you would talk into it like that. All right, so the last thing that we got is the actual mic. All right, let's see. All right, here's the mic, y'all. It's a little bit small compared to the other mics that I have. We've done multiple reviews, and our mics are usually bigger, but you know what they say, bigger ain't always better. I mean, they ain't got nothing to do with me. You know what I'm saying? They ain't got nothing to do with me, but I'm just saying for other people, you know what I'm saying? I'll just say that. Yeah, I mean, it feels pretty good. It feels pretty good. This is the mic gain knob right here. You just turn it like that, and which is nice, because usually when you deal with mic gain, you have to go into a software to adjust the mic gain. So to have it actually already on the mic is pretty dope. So all right, y'all, the only thing we got left to do is check out how it sounds. All right, so I want y'all to actually, you know what, I'll be right back. All right, so we're gonna do this right so that y'all can actually tell the difference between the mics. All right, so right now what I'm talking into is my Blue Yeti Nano. Okay, my Blue Yeti Nano is about $100 mic. Okay, and I do have a pop filter on it, and this is how it sounds. This is what I stream into every single day. So remember this, or you can rewind it and then go back, whatever you need to do. But this is how it sounds from my Blue Yeti Nano. Okay, this is how the Blue Yeti Nano sounds. Now let's go ahead and check out the new mono mic. Okay, so before we get into how it sounds, I'm still on my Blue Yeti Nano right now. I wanted to give y'all a look at what it looks like put together. So it comes with the shock mount. This is the shock mount that I was talking about, and then this is the stand. I actually don't think I mentioned the shock mount, but this is a shock mount right here. You place it in there and it screws to this, which it doesn't screw like all the way to it, which kind of is annoying because it kind of turns around. You see that? Like, kind of turns around. Like, I can't get it to like all the way to sit in there real tight. So that's the only bad thing that I've seen so far. And then putting this shock mount, or to put this mic filter, the pop filter on, it was very difficult. Not very difficult, but it took more time than it should take for a mic filter to go onto your mic. If I had anything to say to that company, it would be to make that a little bit easier. Like, make it like so it attaches actually to the mic. That's how my Blue Yeti Nano one is. And yeah, that would be my only advice for that. But so far so good. So anyway, let's go ahead and get into how it sounds, and y'all can let me know now down below like how y'all think it sounds, and I'll give you my opinion myself. All right, everybody, this is how it sounds with the mono USB microphone. It is the same distance away from my mouth as my Blue Yeti Nano was. I'm actually holding it up in front of me because I didn't want to unhook my mic from my mic stand. So I'm holding it up right in front of me. I do have the pop filter on it, and this was just plug and play. I didn't do any adjustments in OBS. So this is what it's going to sound like if you just do plug and play. And I actually have the gain set right in the middle. Okay, I didn't turn it up any higher than the middle of the gain. All right, so this is how it sounds, and y'all gonna have to let me know down below in the comment section what y'all think of the sound of this mic. All right, everybody, I listened to it back myself. Okay, now I'm back in my Blue Yeti Nano, and I listened to it back on that mic, and I was very, very shocked at how good it sounded. That was actually really crazy. I think the mic overall is very good, and especially for the price. If y'all thought that the quality was good on the mic, and it's something that you guys, if you're looking to upgrade your mic, or maybe you don't have a mic at all, I would suggest this mic. I really would. It's a good mic. Outside of the pop filter being hard to put onto the actual shock mount, and the shock mount like not screwing in all the way, like the mic all the way in to like get it real nice and sturdy on there, that's all okay. Like, we're just going off of the quality of the sound, right? And the quality of the sound sounds really, really good in my opinion. Y'all gonna have to let me know down below in the comment section what y'all think. I think it sounds really good. But like I said, if this is a mic that you guys are interested in buying, you can find it on Amazon for $33.29. It's on sale right now. So I'll put the link to this down in the description as well, just so it's easier to get to. But overall, I think this is a really good mic for $33. Well worth the money if you guys are looking to upgrade, or maybe get a mic if you don't have one. So do it. All right, y'all, that's all I got for y'all today. Overall, the mic was great as far as quality of the sound. The structure of it, as far as like the pieces that all fit together, wasn't as good as I thought it needed to be, but once you get everything on there, it does work. But mainly we're just going off the quality of the mic. I would definitely say to only use the mic with the pop filter on it. I'm telling you, there's a big difference. And you can mess around with the gain knob, but the gain set in the middle sounded really, really nice. So I would recommend just keep the gain right in the middle if you don't want to mess around with any extra stuff. But you can also, if you want to get more into it, you can mess with the gain on the knob, or else if you're in some kind of recording software like OBS, you can go into the properties or the advanced option and mess with the gain and make it sound even better. So but like I said, this was just plug and play, just to give y'all an idea of what it sounds like. And yeah, that's all I got for y'all. I appreciate y'all watching. Thank you guys so much for the love and support, and I will see y'all in the next video. Make sure you hit that like button and make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're new. I'm out, y'all. Peace.